Hey guys, it's Nathan here, and today I wanted to go over with you this triangular fire pit. The seller went ahead and sent one of these for review, so let's get started. Alright, as you can see, it's got a triangular form here, and the whole thing is put together without tools. You just snap pieces together and you build it up. It took me 2 minutes probably to build this at the most. This comes with a little poker here. This helps you take off different things in here, like the bottom ash grill and all of that. So they claim you can put charcoal in here, you can put wood in here, and it's meant or advertised as a fire pit, but then they come with these grills as well, so you can actually cook on these as well. So in the kit, you get this poker, you get this top burner thing here, a pair of gloves. When you're dealing with heat and stuff gets hot, always put these on. And then a nice little carrying case. It breaks down into a small little carrying case like this, so you can stash it with your camping equipment all year, and it fits down nicely. So that's really cool and really helpful. All right, let's get this thing going and let's see how it does. All right guys, so right now we got the cooktop going here. We got some brats on the grill. We've got some collards boiling. As you can see, we probably even have room for another pot up here, so lots of space to cook with. We're using coals right now, and it's heating everything up perfectly. That water's boiling in there. Brats are sizzling. We got the fire pit set up right here going. We've taken off the grill tops, and it's party mode officially. So this will keep you warm when we're done. I got this to help take out the grates and things so you don't get burned. You got your gloves here, and you got your little carrying case. So it's all going to go in here when we pack up, nice and easy. And that's it. That's all there is to it.